Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing if you like fashion, hair, and products. And if you are already subscribed, I just want to say thank you. That means a lot that you've subscribed to my channel. I really hope my content continues to be helpful to you. Today's video is a get ready for Vegas nail video. I just bought a lot of awesome fake nails and the semi-cured gel nails. So a lot of these will be videos going forward in the next few months. Since I'm going to Vegas this week, I'm gonna do more of a Vegas look. So I bought all these nails from Vanity Table, and I keep hearing about these Korean semi-cured nails, and I've been super excited and curious to try them because they look amazing and you can have fun designs, and it seems like an amazingly easy way. These are all the nails. So this is from Vanity Table to Exquisite Beauty and Lifestyle Trends. Looks like there's a QR code here if you want to, I'm sure you can look that up with your phone camera. So I originally was interested in these semi-cured gel nails by O'Hara. They just have like all these amazing designs on them, and you can do it at home. Here's the other one I got. Also has all these crystals and designs, and then it comes with a little gel lamp. So that video I'm gonna do in a couple months, so subscribe to stay tuned for that one. But since I'm going to Vegas, I got these finger suit press-on nails. So I got an iridescent one and a glittery one. This periwinkle blue. And then it's kind of a neutral with like a gold leaf on it. I also got the Finger Suit Easy Off Remover Kit because I don't want to damage my nails. The whole point of doing it at home is to hopefully keep them healthier. And then they sent these little prep pads. Alright, so here are my 4 options. Trying to decide, they all look so cool. I think I'm debating between these 3. I want to do the blue, but I'm wondering if it's not going to match all my outfits. And then I kind of want to do the glitter. It's so hard to decide. I think I'm going to do this one though, because it's like the most fun and unique, and I've never done blue nails. This is going to be my Las Vegas nail style. It's called Blue Paint, and it has 16 different sizes. It has the steps right here. They're just pictures, so I'm gonna follow. Oh, it also has words too. It says how to use. 1. Wipe nails with a prep pad to clean and dry your nails for better adhesion. 2. Select nail size that best fits your own. Choose the smaller one if between sizes. Step 3. Remove the protective film. Press on firmly onto your nail, close to but not covering the cuticle. So I'm starting with this Finger Suit Prep Pad, and this is how my nails are starting. It's just natural, they're kind of grown out, they're very uneven. So it says, wash your hands and wipe nails with the prep pad to ensure your nails are clean and dry for better adhesion. So I already washed my hands. So it smells and looks just like an alcohol wipe. So I just got a butter knife and I'm going to open the box. I'm going to use the top to size all my fingers. So the big one fits my thumb. These are my sizes for my left hand. And I'm gonna find the matching ones for my right hand. 2 for the thumb, 7 for my first finger, 8 for my middle finger, 9 for my ring finger, and 13 for my pinky finger. I picked out the sizes. My right nail bed is a little bit wider than my left, so I hope it blends in nicely. The kit did come with like a mini nail filer, so I'm gonna hold that with me. And if I need to, I'll narrow down my nails just to make it blend better. There's this little plastic piece I'm pulling off. Pretty cute, right? you just want to make sure that it's straight so they don't feel as strong as if you get the acrylics done. Sometimes when I get my acrylic nails done, I feel like I can use my fingernails as like a tool to open things, but this is still very fragile and delicate. I actually think I'm going to bring the kit with me to Vegas just in case one of them pops off. I can put a new one back on or just remove it all depending on how it lasts, but I will show you how that lasts. Almost messed this one up, but the glue feels like it does move around, so if you mess up, just kind of massage that area until it's facing the direction you want and then push it down. So really important, make sure you're centering the nail. Take a look, move it around, and then push it down. Seems like it's a little bit forgiving, but still very sturdy and secure. So overall, the application part was very clean, easy. The glue didn't get anywhere. If I did put a nail on crooked, I had some time to like massage it and move it over. These are my Vegas blue nails. So Saturday, I put on these nails, and now it's Tuesday. So that's about 3 days. The first day I was washing dishes and my pinky nail fell off. So I ended up getting nail glue and just glued it back on. And today, on Wednesday, I guess 3 days, or on Tuesday, so 3 days later, my thumb fell off, so I'm gonna glue it back on. So I think these gel nails are good just for like one event or one day, but not to wear long term. So I just put a little dollop of glue on the bottom and then push it on. The glue is less forgiving, but it stays on really tight. So I think the glue on is better if you're going to wear these long term. The gel just doesn't feel secure. It's hard to wash your hair and do different things. It just always feels like it's gonna fall off. So I recommend the glue if you want to wear it long term. Otherwise, these are great just for one day, just for fun. Here's the Finger Suit Easy Off Remover Kit for the nails. They've slowly been coming off, so I'm just gonna use that. And there's also some residue on some of the nails from just peeling it off the wrong way, so hopefully that'll take that off too. And it says how to use. Apply 1 to 2 drops of remover on the sides before removal. 2, gently lift the edge with a wooden stick. And now I'm gonna let that sit on for a little bit. A couple of these I had to glue on, so I'm curious how this remover is gonna work on that. Let me know what you think about these nails, if you would recommend them or not, or if you like them. And don't forget to subscribe if you like hair, fashion, and beauty product reviews. I will see you next time.